we have to pass the parameter to the function. Pass parameter to the function. I just show you the same program here. In the same program, what I do, I pass suppose int a number, okay, and here I pass 23 and hello students, number is person D by A, and suppose this is int A. What I have done now? In the print hello, I have passed one parameter of name integer. Now function prototype is changed. Prototype means what? Return type is void. Function name is print hello. Now it accepts integer as one parameter. Integer A as one parameter. Clear? So when I call the function, I must pass integer as parameter. Yes or no? That's why here 23 is the static number. Now printing it. Hello student, number is 23. Clear? Okay. Let us run the code. So can you see this? Hello student, number is 23. Now what happened now? I have changed the function prototype. I have changed, in previous case, function return type is void, parameters are null. I am passing one parameter. One parameter as integer as one parameter. I am passing integer as a parameter to a function. So value get changed. Clear? Got somebody? Okay. Now this is the program. This is the program which takes two input. First is hour, second is minute. First is hour, second is minute. Okay. In the previous program, I am adding one parameter of name print time, which takes two parameter. First is hour, second is minute, and I am printing that hour and minute. That's it. Clear? Print hello, print good morning, prints good morning, print good evening, prints good evening. Now this program, this function print hour and minute. Clear? Now here print hello, print good morning, print good morning. Print good morning takes how many parameters? Two parameters. Can you see this? 7:30. Print good evening. Now inside print good morning, inside this good morning, I got hour and minute. Now I am passing that hour and minute as parameter to which function? Print time. Now complexity change. Try to understand. This program now not simple. I have modified the program. I am calling one program. I am calling one function inside the body of another function, and the parameter that have been passed to that function is passed as a parameter to another function. म्हणजे काय, इथं जे hour and minute भेटलं आपल्याला, इथं जे भेटतील ना, that are passed as a parameter to this print time here. प्रोग्राम सोपा एवढा सोपा नाही आहे, क्लिष्ट आहे. समजलं? Should we run the code? Then your idea will be more clear. I copy the code, okay, and Control N, Control V, Control S, okay. Function parameter pass to another function. Clear? Now this is it. Okay. What is the output? Hello, hello. Good morning. Now when I see here, good morning, Hello, hello, you are getting hello, hello 2 times. Then print good morning except 7 and 30. Okay. Now when I call print good morning, what happened? Print good morning is printing good morning, and calling which function? Print time, hour and minute. Okay. So 7 and 30 are now passed to this print time, and the time is 7:30. This is the print statement generated by this print time function. Clear? Yes or no? Okay. Here output is formatted. Okay. And afterwards, so what is the moral of the story? Whatever output here I am getting, the time is 7:30. This is the output of the function of name print time. And this print time is called under the function of print good morning. And afterwards, good evening. Good evening. This good evening. Okay, what I do, just I modify the code. What I do, I modify the code, and here I write hour plus 1 plus 1. Time is changed. We are incrementing the time by 1. Okay, inside print good morning, and we are passing the original hour and minute to print time. What is the output now? Time is 8:31. Time is 8:31. बरोबर है ना? Okay, let us run the code. See here, time is changed, 8:31, but we are passing by value, not by reference. That's why here I get 7:30. If we pass the parameter by reference, by pointer, it would have been 8:31. Clear? Or can I modify the code? Yes. Instead of calling this print time here, what I do? I call print time from here. Okay? Will it work? Yes or no? Will it work? Yes, why not? Understood what I have done? In previous code, one function was called in another function body. Now here, I am calling all the functions from void main. Summary level, clear? Good. Let us go ahead. So now we have tried all the variations. Huh? We have taken null parameter to the function, one parameter, two parameter. We have called one function from void main. We have called two functions from void main, three functions from void main. We have called one function in another function body. So try to understand. We are just showing all the variations that is possible in the programming. Okay. Next. Now create the program to add two number using function. So how many parameters are there? 2. You can check here. Int add two number. Int add in num1 in num2. Okay. Take two numbers. What is the algorithm? Result equal to num1 plus num2. You know, did you remember? Algorithm, cast algorithm. लक्षात है कि नहीं है? Yes or no? Result equal to num1 plus num2. Okay, this is result equal to num1 plus num2. Okay, this is the output variable. Okay, and this is input variable 1, input variable 2. Variable that are on right side are input variable on the left side are output variable. Input number 1, input number 2, their output equal to input 1 plus input 2, print output. Okay. So here you can see here, let us run the code. Enter first number 12, 35. 12 plus 23 is 25. Okay. This simple program, what is समझ so पाए. What is our job? Our job is not to show you addition of two number. Our job is to create calculator. आता काय करते मला calculator तयार करायचं आहे. मला काय करावं लागेल आता प्रोग्राम मध्ये सांगा. Here this is program for add. Okay, can I write the program in another way? Can I write the program another way? Yes. How? What I do, I declare the function. See, what I have done? I have done the function declaration. Function declaration केले इथं, बरोबर? नंतर काय केले? Function definition. Okay, and here calling the function. If you observe one thing, here return type is not void. Return type is integer. Integer. That's why here, if you observe this, return keyword is here. Return. And if you see the previous code, there is no return. Why? There is void. You may write like this also, doesn't matter. It will work. By default, there is return. Okay? समझ ले order? So what is the difference now? If you observe this, here we are retaining the value. Now tell me, if I want to perform subtraction, multiplication, division, what should I do? Simple है, int subtract, int num1, comma int num2, int multiply, int num1, int num2, int divide, int num1, int num2, and return for subtraction num1 into num2, for multiplication, sorry, subtraction num1 minus num2, multiplication num1 into num2, division num1 divided by num2. सोपं आहे. हे सर मग फक्त कॉपी पेस्ट करायचं. ठीक आहे. So my question is, can I write the program another way? Yes. Simply Control C, Control X. Instead of declaring the function, define the function directly before void main. काय केलं मी? Here function was declared. Instead of declaring the function, directly I am defining the function. There is no need to declare the function now. Only I am defining the function and call the function. Clear? Program can be written in this way also. This is also right way. Okay? Let us run the code, check the output. Okay? Good? You got output? समझ ले बेटा? ऐसे क्या doubt है क्या? Okay. Already I have created the code for calculator. If you see the here, see int add in num1 num2. Just I asked the chat GPT, write the program for add subtraction, multiplication, division. If you see the prompt here, add function for subtraction, multiplication, division and power operation to the previous code. म्हणजे पहिल्या कोडला ऍड कर. Here is the updated program that includes this operation. Okay, you can see here for addition, subtraction, subtract is the function name, multiply is the function name, divide is the function name, power is the function name. Okay, when we divide, we get the division as floater. That's why float is the return type. Clear? But we must pass integer, not float. Okay? I copy the code. Enter number 1, enter number 2, enter the operation to be performed. Now operation is plus minus. Okay? लक्षात मी काय म्हणतो तुम्हाला? What is the operation? Operations are plus, minus, multiply, divide, exponential. These are characters. काय ते? Character है, character, single character. That's why if you observe here, %C with space. Can you see the space? %C. And operation is the character variable which saves single character A, B, plus, minus. Okay, so we are asking the user, काय करायचं तुला? Addition, subtraction, enter कर. That is assigned to operation, and that is use switch operation. Switch operation म्हणजे ऑपरेशन जर प्लस असेल तर केस प्लस. इफ ऑपरेशन इज प्लस, value of operation will be plus. Now this switch operation, this operation will be replaced by plus, and this plus is matched with this case plus, and here you get result of %D plus %D, num1 comma num2 comma add num1 num2. Now function is called inside printf. Understood the mastery now. Now difficulty is now getting changed. In previous case we are calling add function, saving the result in result variable. But now we are calling the function directly inside printf. म्हणजे काय? म्हणजे हे. That's it. Both statements are correct. Both statements are correct. I just run the code. You'll understand this. See. Can you see the output? Yes or no? Difference समझला? In previous case, I have, see, this result is returning the return integer in num1 num2, or you can do like this also. I make it more simplified. Int r equal to num1 plus num2. I return r. Return r. This is also works. Okay, and here it is saved in result, but here if you observe this, I am calling directly inside printf. Second way. That's why both output are same. Sum of 12 and 23 is 35, and sum of 12 and 23 is 35. Or I can change in this way also. 12, 34. Kyle sanga. Kyle. Clear? Static input. So now I hope this program is clear now. I am calling all function inside the printf. Add. You can see add. So when user enters subtraction, what happened? Subtract function is called. Same multiply call. Same divide call. Add, subtract, multiply, divide. So when user enters multiplication symbol, number get multiplied. When user enters this symbol, division symbol, it checks whether number is equal to 0 or not. What will happen? Your program will be crashed because any number divided by 0 is infinity. Okay, so if number is not equal to 0, then only you get the division, otherwise you get the message division by 0 is not allowed. Clear? Should we run the code? Yes or no? Okay. Copy code. Calculator. First number 12. Subtraction, what will happen? Okay, again run the code. 12 4. Division, good. Okay, 12 4. Exponential, okay. But now every time I need to run the code for different operation. Can I reduce this using do while loop? Do you want to continue? Yes. Do you want to continue? Yes. Okay. So this is another code. Okay, what I do, I just run the code. 12 0. I ask division. What will happen now? Division in by 0 is not allowed. कसं झालं हे? Inside this program, we have check here. When division happens, num2 must not be equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, division by 0 not allowed. It's called exception handling in the programming. Clear? Okay. Now what I have written? Modify the code, add do while loop and continue all operation. Ask the user whether you want to continue this operation. If yes, perform operation of his choice as add, subtract, multiply, divide. Otherwise stop. Okay. Now copy the code. If you see this, same program आहे. फक्त काय केलेलं आहे? We added do while loop, infinite loop, do it, bracket, काय सगळा कोड लिहिला as it is. पूर्ण कोड लिहिला. कोड संपल्यानंतर बाबा तुला करायचं का पुढे कंटिन्यू? Do you want to continue? Yes or no? And we have taken one variable of name continue choice. This is of type of character. That's why %C. See this character continue choice. Okay. Now while जोपर्यंत कंटिन्यू चॉईस यस किंवा यस असेल वाय स्मॉल वाय किंवा कॅपिटल वाय असेल इट विल रन कंटिन्युअसली. द मोमेंट यू एंटर एनी ऑफ द कॅरेक्टर दॅन स्मॉल वाय और कॅपिटल वाय प्रोग्राम गेट स्टॉप. सोपं आहे. इट्स सिम्पल. शुड वी रन इट? ओके. कंट्रोल एन, कंट्रोल व्ही, कंट्रोल एस, फंक्शन कैलकुलेटर, infinite loop. Enter first number 12 4. Enter operation. Now tell me operation. Let us go one by one. Plus 12 plus 4 16. Do you want to continue? Yes. Small y or capital Y. Enter first number 12 4 minus continue capital Y. Yes. First number 12 4 multiplication. Yes. 12 4 division. Yes. Yes. 12 for exponential. Could you see the power of do while loop? I can run multiple times. Okay, I can run multiple times. See, 0 not allowed. So this is the loop of do while loop. This is the most important loop in the programming. Do while loop. It is used in the programming. Clear? Any doubts? Doubts, Sadka?